Alright guys, I got a couple packs to open. Vstar Universe and Vivid Voltage Orbital. But we already got the Orbital. Alright, let's open these up and see what we got. Vivid Voltage. And we got Whalmer, Weedle, Beldum, Fanfi, Duskull, Ryulu, Reverse Hollow, and what is that? Ooh, Coalossal VMAX. Nice. And we got a Dark Energy, Go-Goat, Matang, Mightyena. We really need to Go-Goat and get something out of here. The Coalossal VMAX is pretty sweet though. Let's see what we got, boys and girls. Believe in the heart of the cards, Yugi. We got Poochyena. Is that Regirock? Mareep? Flabebe, I think. This guy. The Stadium card. Ooh, what's under here? Wow, Zeraora VMAX. And what's behind it? There's that Keldeo holographic. And Articuno. It's a cool card. And wow, look at this pumpkaboo. I didn't know about this card. Pumpkaboo.